Okay, we'll try this again. Get some echo. I can hear myself. Oh, you know why? Because I have. What did I do? I have this going. Okay. I broke something else with the sound, but that's okay. Hopefully there's some audio coming out of this thing. Let's just do a little audio check. Audio check. That's cool. All right, good. So I'm going to play around. I'm going to play around with working on some more of this Blazor stuff that I was doing earlier today. And so I'm going to just trying to get a little more code written. Let's see, what am I doing here? Me. All right. So this is what I was working on earlier. Checking some, oops, cancel. What? Why can't I see? Oh, that window got closed. Okay. Just checking some stuff here. Okay. So I wanted to work on a little bit more of this feedback form. And I have this prompt. Need to get another prompt. Oh, I know what I wanted to do. I wanted to add 2 more fields to this. So I'm going to say, this is our sprint validation stuff. Which team are you providing feedback for? Right, this should be pretty easy with Blazor. And then I'll just do an input select there. And I'll say team. And I think the ID for this can be team too. Now I don't have a team. Add those values here. So let's say I'm going to do acquired string team name. Leave it with team because I may change this to an ID later anyway. I probably will. Team, yeah, you know what? Let's do that. Let's make that an ID. An ID. Int. Okay, and then I'll just do like, this will be date time. Oops. Why is that weird? Call this sprint start. Sprint start, sprint end. I never know if I should talk about sprints by the start date or the end date. But it probably won't matter. I can convert that. So what's going on here? Oh, look at that. You don't get system out of the box. What's this spaces at the top of the screen for? Oh, it's probably telling me there's extra spaces. I wonder how those got in there. Okay. So I've got this sprint start date. Oh, I wonder if I should make that like a, oh, I wonder if there's like a calendar thing here. Input date, look at this, input date. Wonder what that's gonna do for me. Let's say, what is the start date? Start date for the sprint. I feel like I should use end date because I think people are going to be more focused on the end date at the time, but that's okay. Did this come from team? What happened here? Oh, I stuck this in the middle. do here? Team. Did I do something weird copying and pasting in there? I had this. Let's get rid of that. Which team are you providing feedback for? I'm going to say, let's just do this. Div. What is the start date of the sprint? Okay. That's going to go there. And then this. You know, I'm really just kind of lazy tonight. Hopefully nobody's even watching. If you're watching, good luck. Not doing a whole lot. But just trying to get a little code done. So I wonder what I can do in here. ID equals start date. And then I can add find value equals feedback input dot print start. So team ID is an int, but that's okay. Oh wait, I have this as a. Why do I have a select? Oh, because this was gonna. Okay, yeah. Let's do it like this. So let's just put like please choose. Okay, and I'll put in like team A, team B. For now, this is gonna get. Those will get data bound eventually. And let's see how well this works. Now, I think this should compile a lot faster because I'm switched to a 2-machine setup and I had 1 machine working during the day. And it's a pretty poor debugging experience because I was streaming and debugging on the same machine much faster today. If I look at this task manager. Look at that. Oh, cranking that CPU. All right, well, sometimes that just happens when you start that. So let's do provide feedback. Look at that. So I need to put like a default date in there or something like that. So if I hit submit, okay, so I didn't put required values on those. So let's just go back. I thought I did. Wired team ID. Maybe it defaults ID to a 0. And this is a date time. That's going to be tricky. I need to find out what the attributes are because I don't want it to be, you know, it's going to get that date to begin with. That's going to be interesting. This is probably a 0. Well, what can I tell you? I don't know. Let's try it anyway and see what happens. I wonder if my sound effects are working. They are, but I can't hear them. Let's figure that out. Why can't I hear my sound effects? I think it's because every time I talk, it's coming back from P. So that should be that. Checking my voice meter settings. So then when I make this sound here, over there, it goes to B1 and B2. That means it comes back to the surface. Oh, but I don't have it on monitor. Because if I put it on monitor, then I hear my own voice. Ooh. Do that before. I thought I had that worked out. OBS desktop audio. Skype audio. That's not what I want. So this is audio from HP, and this is OBS desktop audio. So I still have a problem with my sound settings. Can I tweak that? So chaos in action here. Play this sound. There, that goes to. What I really want to hear is surface. So I think what I want to do is my mic go, oh, shouldn't go to the surface. That. Ah, one of my audio settings is wrong. Then, if I hit the sound effect, that's what I need to do. Okay. So I just need to edit these really quickly here. So that's going. Surface. I don't know. I'll have to fix it tomorrow. I'd rather write code. Good. Team ID 1. All right. I think I'm going to end this stream.